in my opinion, people would want to come here just like they want to go to Monticello, to Mount
Yes.
Vernon, to the White House. This house has a very interesting story, and it has such a human element about it with all of the artifacts and the stories that have been shared with you and that
Yes.
you share and that are talked about in the tours.
Little stories of the
Yeah.
children and sneaking out at night, and
Yeah.
little stories of who were those draftsmen and what were they doing, and thinking about a little grandchild climbing up on a drafting stool for the first time, and eventually building parks in Saudi Arabia. Thinking of Conrad Wirth out trimming trees in Minneapolis parks when he was a teenager, or Walter Wirth out helping do surveys in the park. And then what did they become and what did they provide for people as well?